Here in the Philippines, it always seems like fitness is only for the privilege. Para lang sa may kaya, sa may budget. Pero, hindi yan totoo eh. Kasi here in my studio, I coach a lot of high-performing people, successful people, entrepreneurs, business owners, people who own companies talagang movers in business and in society. And the things that help them achieve their best selves are not based on money. The 3 traits na talaga nakikita ko, kailangan ng bawat tao who want to change themselves permanently when it comes to fitness are these things. Number 1, you gotta have a clear goal in mind. When people go to the gym, ang unang sinasabi nila, gusto ko lang to, pwede na lang to. Hindi siya gumagana eh. If you want to be successful in how you want to change your body, you gotta have a clear goal. Dapat sakto. Kahit gaano pa kalayo pa yan. It doesn't matter. Ang importante, klaro siya sa'yo at alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Number 2, they fix their structure based on what they want to happen with themselves. Hindi lang basta isang bagay binabago nila. Hindi lang basta maglalakad, hindi lang basta magti-training, hindi lang basta mag-aayos ng pagkain. Pinagsasama-sama nila yan. Tapos, unti-unti nilang pinapasok sa buhay nila. Third thing, they take their goals seriously. Besides having a clear goal in mind, sineseryoso nila yung mga sinasabi nila. They don't break their word. Whatever they say, they really do it. And that's what separates someone who's successful and who's not, someone who will truly change their bodies, and someone who will not. So remember those 3 things. Structure, clear goals, take your goals seriously. Start with that and change yourself permanently for the better.